Look at that view. VO Park is down below, and the majestic Flatirons and Rocky Mountains are straight ahead. I've been here for about 30 minutes just taking some photos, trying to get more of a social media presence going. Also just good memories to look back on or share with family. I haven't shared too much with the family yet, but they of course know about the bike. Basically looking to have a video of me touring around, hunting around the city, exploring new areas within the flat parts of Colorado, and then essentially have another set of videos which are all about the mountains, the mountain towns, the mountain roads, the twisties, the technical nature of riding. I would love to have a channel where people could get to know me. I have a video record of things I've done in my life that I can look back on. And as a benefit, beyond those two, and it sort of ties to number one, but is a chance for me to be able to connect with other people. One of my favorite experiences was taking this road the first month I got the bike. The wind is just bashing against you, it's wide open, the speed is there, you're going 70 to keep up with cars. And so it was just like one of the first real breathtaking moments on the bike. These Rocky Mountains though, man, I don't know if I can move after experiencing the Rockies. Might have to always have a permanent home along the Rockies. Doesn't have to be Denver or even Colorado, but there's just something about the mountains that gets me the way people talk about the ocean. And I do like the ocean, but I think I like the mountains just as much, if not more. Yeah, it's funny, so you get these factories out here which you think would just absolutely ruin the aesthetic, but you don't even really mind them or the windmills behind them. You just, like, the front range is over here. After on this side of this highway, it's all clear, right? There's nothing crazy. So yeah, this little 696 isn't meant for these kind of highway prolonged rides. There's no, right, there's only a little windshield. The wind's not too bad today. Like, I'm not going to be able to crouch very easy. Like, the windshield doesn't do much still. This is more for the twisties in the mountains, but plenty of power, right? I can keep up with these cars fine. And look at all these cattle. Right up to the road. You could start to make out Denver. Very tiny, but you can see it. It looks like the most insignificant thing surrounded by all the flat space. And they say there's no water here because it's not on the water like an ocean or a Great Lake. But you've got plenty of little lakes like up here. So I always feel like I have some dynamic scenery to look at, or even water to get into. Oh, we got it's a interesting police car or something. A little bit of a fun road here, and there you can kind of make out Denver again. Denver downtown. But see, you're right at these farms, like this open space and farms, and then you can see a massive city right there. It's crazy, right? That's 25 minutes away. Oof. Sometimes these roads surprise you. You don't notice that the bump's bigger than it actually is, or bigger than it looks. There's some horses. That's another one. If you could map out the roads that are the best to ride, the ones that are torn up, the ones that are smooth, the ones with some nice bends, the ones with views, that'd be a pretty sweet little map so other riders could use it. Leave the camera rolling, you never know what you'll capture, what you'll say that's interesting, and what you'll see. Well, that's what I meant when I said what you capture. Could be a safety thing, right? If I get in an accident right now, or I see an accident, I'd have that footage. Or if I get pulled over, I also have footage to confirm or deny whatever happened. Other clips of Denver. It's like your North Star. If you want to know where you are, just look for the Denver skyline. Or the Rockies. That's your West Star. You always know where West is. Thing. So I need to take a left at some point, but all of these lights need a vehicle that's heavy enough to trigger it, and if there's no car there, I can't rely that someone behind me will suddenly arrive. Ooh, Lambo. Sun is still hiding. Pretty cool effect though. You get the Chipotle in the shot, of course. Sneakers and jeans and who's talking to me? Thanks, man. Like it. Another gearless rider. This is just a shame. Hey man, got the whole crew today. Got a screamer, I'll give him that. Almost home. Just gotta hit the gas station. You can see the gas light there. We'll be good to go for tomorrow or Sunday when the mountain ride will commence. Ah, and here's the intersection of doom. There is no there is no light. So what are we supposed to do? I'll let that big bus shield me. Thank you for that. Scoot, scoot guy. Right, I will talk to you guys later.